Hi everyone, this is Meghana, currently working as a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's session, we are going to understand after business rule in ServiceNow along with real-time example and implementation. What is after business rule? An after business rule runs after a record is saved to the database, which means the record is already inset or updated and then the business rule executes. We mainly use after business rule when we need to update related records, create child records, perform actions after the record is saved, execute business logic on the other tables. Let's take real-time scenario. Assume a company requirement whenever a priority one incident is created, a problem record should be created automatically. Since the incident must be saved first before creating the related problem record, we use an after business rule. Now understand the flow. User creates a P1 incident. The incident gets saved into the database. After the save, operation is completed. The after business rule executes. The business rule creates a new problem record. The problem record is linked to the incident. Now we will go to the implementation. Navigate to all. Search for business rule. Under system definition, click business rule. Click on new. I'm giving name as create problem for P1 incident. Table name incident. Active true, click on advanced checkbox, when, after, insert true and add the condition. Priority is 1. This means the business rule will execute only the priority 1 incident. Go to advanced and here write the script and click on save. Why we are selecting insert? Because the requirement is to create a problem record only when a new P1 incident is created. So we selected incident is equal to true and update is false. This ensures the business rule run only during record creation. Now let's test. Go to all, search for incident, create new. I'm selecting impact as high, urgency as high. Automatically priority will select to 1 critical. Here I'm taking as caller. Click on save. The incident record gets saved. After business rule executes, a new problem record is created immediately. You can verify if the navigation to the problem table, open problem table. Now we can see that problem created from the incident. After business rules are used whenever action should happen only after the current record is successfully saved. That's all about after business rule in ServiceNow. I hope this section helped you understand the concept clearly along with the real-time implementation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.